Most people fail at dropshipping because they choose terrible products. And if the product sucks, the ads won't save it, the website won't save it, none of that matters. So in this video, I'm gonna show you the simple 4-step process that I follow to find winning dropshipping products using AI. This is the exact product research process that I personally use to find winning products, like this store here. In the last 7 days, has done 9,000 in sales, hovering right over $1,000 a day. So watch until the end because I'm gonna show you the exact ChatGPT prompt that I use, how I spy on products competitors are already scaling, how I validate products, and how I can tell within a few minutes whether a product actually has potential or not. And lastly, I'm gonna give you guys the product research spreadsheet that I use every day when I'm doing product research to stay organized. So let's get into it. So before we start doing product research live, I need you to understand what actually makes a good product. Because most beginners are chasing random viral products that they saw on TikTok. For example, this is just a duck that swings in the car. Or this one here is just a humidifier lamp.
It's smelling so good.
Or this one right here.
Okay.
So products like this will get a lot of good engagement and people might see the 12,000 likes, or this one here has 22,000 likes, and you can get some sales, but these products don't last. And this is where most people mess up. They start to choose products that they think are cool, instead of choosing products that solve actual problems that people are dealing with every day. So let's dive into the winning product research criteria, because usually the best dropshipping products have all of these things in common. So first things first, when you're choosing a product, it needs to solve a clear problem in an evergreen niche. And these down here are the best evergreen niches to sell in. The baby space, the pet space, pregnant women, beauty, pain relief, all of those are the best spaces to be in. The next thing that you need to look out for is your product should have a visual hook in the first 3 seconds of seeing it. So what that means is in the first 3 seconds, a customer should see the problem and the solution and the benefit of that product. So just to show you an example of what I mean by visual hook, let me press play on this video. So you can see that's a really good visual hook because most people deal with this in their shoe every day. There's just no support. And they're selling that more cushiony support, and they showed it in 4 seconds. So that's exactly what I mean. Another example, in 2 seconds, they showed the product and they showed it in use. They even showed the problem that most people have, which is dog or cat hair everywhere and how easy it was to clean it up. Now let me show you one more example.
Now look, sure,
In that first second or two, she showed using that product and then she showed the result where you can see half of her face is puffy, one is lifted. And that shows that that product works immediately and hooks people in. So that's exactly what I mean by a visual hook in the first 3 seconds of seeing it, where you can see exactly what it is and what it does. Next on the list is it has to have an active competitor running ads. And that's there to show you that there's proof of concept. If somebody's already there and they're scaling this product, that means it's validated and it works. So if you can price it better, build a better website, run better ads, or the market is just evergreen in any of these spaces where millions of people are entering the market every day, you can get sales too. And lastly, you want to make a minimum of $25 in profit per sale. So now that you guys know my winning product research criteria, let me show you exactly how I actually go find these winning products, because most people overcomplicate it and they go start looking for products first. And what you want to do differently is you need to look for problems to solve first. So what I like to do is I'll take my product research prompt right here. I'm going to leave it linked down below for you guys. You guys can click it open, copy it, put it into ChatGPT, and just hit enter. And now as you can see, ChatGPT is asking us, what niche are you interested in researching? Pick one that sticks out to you. If you have dogs, choose dogs. If you have cats, choose cats. If you have a baby, choose baby. For this example, let's just do something maybe like pain relief. So I'm gonna choose pain relief. So now that we search pain relief, it's giving us top 30 high emotion pain relief problems that can be solved with a product. So all we have to do is find one that we like, and you could take any of these: sciatica pain, plantar fasciitis. We could scroll through any of these here. So just for this example, let's take meniscus pain, or even just the word meniscus, and put it in a product research tool. The one I use and recommend is called Trend Track. They're one of the best ones out there right now. They refresh every 24 hours, so you're getting the most up-to-date data. So I'm gonna go into the ads section here on the left, and then at the top, I'm just gonna search the keyword meniscus. And as you can see, you could search to see if they have it on their store, if their brand name has it, or ad copy. So in this case, I'm just gonna do ad copy. And now let's talk about the filters. So you wanna make sure that the status is active. You wanna make sure that days running is at least 10 10 because most people will test for like a week. And if a product doesn't work in that week, they'll turn it off. But if it works, they might keep it running. And that means their testing probably went well. Country, I like to put United States here. And then what we can do is we could sort it by something like most duplicated or highest reach or highest spend. So in this case, I'm just going to do most duplicates. That just means they copied their ad multiple times because it's working. What I like to do now is scroll through this list of products and just get an idea of, does this product solve that problem of meniscus pain? Because that's what I'm trying to target. And what I want to see when I click on these shops is, are they trending upwards? Do they have a lot of active ads? And then I'll dig deeper onto their store. Obviously, because I searched meniscus, I'm seeing a lot of knee braces, which is good, but what I'm looking for is one that stands out. And this one here at the top actually stood out to me.
Neurogena knee system.
Whoever designed this is
Because it has that dial that tightens that knee brace. It's not just any compression sleeve, it actually has a dial. So that's that unique aspect of that product. So what I'll do next, once I find a product that I like, is I like to look at how many ads they have live. And you can see it's at 143 ads are live right now, which is a lot of ads. I also like to click on the store and I'll go to their shop analytics and then I'll click their website. And what I like to see is once I click on their website that in the last 3 months that they're actually pretty consistent. You can see 56,000 visitors, 65,000 visitors, almost 50,000 visitors here. There's not just this big up and down in traffic. It's actually been consistent the last 3 months. And that makes sense for a product like this. It's not seasonal. They can sell it all year long, no matter what. The other thing I like to look at is their ads. So they have 143 active ads that they're paying for. And as you can see, it's actually trending upwards. So they must have tested it back here and it started doing well. So they launched more, trimmed some, and then they launched some more, and now they're cruising. So this product is showing a really good sign. That's why I like using Trend Track, because of all of this data it gives us here. It tells us it's consistent, and it also tells us that, hey, this is their best seller. So it gives me more confidence when I'm doing product research, because if I would have just seen this in the ad library, I wouldn't have these insights to make me feel confident that, hey, their visitors are consistent. This is the trend of their ads launching. We would just see that they have ads live, but we wouldn't know the full story. So let's take that product back to the criteria, and we know that it solves a clear problem in the pain relief space. It has a visual hook, and what that hook is the knee brace on the knee, but that dial turning is what that visual hook is, because it gets people's attention. There's an active competitor running ads right now, and the last thing we need to check is the profit per sale. So this right here is that competitor website, and it actually looks really good. They sell one for $54, they sell two for $89, and they're giving them a free gift if they take that. And scrolling down, the website looks really good. They have all the elements that you need. So what I did is I went to AutoDS and I found the product. As you can see here, it's that knee brace with the knob. It's the exact same one. So once I found the product in AutoDS, I went to see, well, what can I get it for? I can see here that I can get it for about 18 USD. So after running the numbers, we know we can make 36 US dollars on every sale, which is well above our minimum of $25 in profit. So now that we found a product that fits the criteria, I like to add it to my product research spreadsheet to stay organized. I'm gonna leave it linked down below for you guys as well. And all you have to do here is put knee brace with dial. The niche, we're gonna do pain relief. The problem it solves, we search for meniscus pain. The competitor website, I'll take that link of that competitor, I'll put it here. The product cost, it was something like $18. We're selling it for $54. That gives us that $36 in profit. And then our target customers, I'm gonna put people with knee pain for now. So what I do with any of my students is after they find 3 to 5 products, I ask them, well, which product do you think that you could make the most content with? Because dropshipping today is all about content creation. And it's much easier if you can film the content yourself versus having to ship the product to a creator, wait for them to film it, then go into revisions until the video is perfect. So this is what dropshipping product research looks like today. It's not painful. It doesn't take hours anymore. As long as you use AI and the right product research tool, you can find products that are being scaled fairly quickly. So that's exactly how I find my winning dropshipping products. And if you guys want to learn how to build, launch, and get sales with your dropshipping store step by step, I have a completely free course linked down below called Dropship in 21 Days. Thank you for watching.